how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And we're just going to do a very quick video on this Grundig. Whoa, maybe quicker than I thought. I've got a AC adapter plugged in the back, and it's causing the radio to having to be standing up like this. This is what's going on. Otherwise, I would have it straight up, but then you couldn't see the face of the antenna. Of the radio. Whoa, that was a kind of a shaky start of this video. Maybe it won't be so short after all. Anyway, this is a Grundig S350. It's not the DX or the DL. It's the older version. It was sent to me by one of my subscribers named Gary, and he says it doesn't work, but maybe you can use it, or maybe you can fix it, or whatever. So I really appreciate Gary sending me this radio to experiment with. And I probably won't fix it because he already did some, shall we say, some experiments with it, trying to fix it. So, and he doesn't recall what he did. So it's really an unknown. But what we can use it for is to go inside. Since it's, not a working radio, it's known that it's got problems, then we can open it up. As a matter of fact, it's already been opened up. So in this show, which is going to be very short, I'm going to apply power to it. Now I have my laboratory power supply, which I can control the voltage and the current. I've set the current to about 400 milliamps. The manual for this radio says it draws about 300. So I should be giving it adequate, because typically it draws a little more when you turn on a radio than what it draws once it's been turned on. So I gave it the little extra so that it won't cause the power supply to limit and go into limited control, because once the power supply goes into limiting control, it won't give it any current after that. So I got it hooked up. The power supply is on and plugged in the back of this, and here we go. Stand by. We'll see if we get any smoke. So I'm going to push the power button and see if we get anything on the display. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see this display a little better, even though it's on an angle. Of course, right now it's blank. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, on. Nada. That's what I suspected. I didn't suspect that it would come on. And maybe the original problem was the power supply. So it didn't go into current limiting. Matter of fact, it didn't draw any current at all, or not appreciable. I'm looking at the current right now, and it's basically zero. So it is not going to come on. It's not going to draw any current. So it's basically a dead radio, or as Gary described it, it burned up. So I'm going to try, I think what I'm going to attempt to do is a hangout tomorrow, Saturday morning, and open this thing up. So that's where we're at. Again, thanks, Gary, for sending me this. If you have a radio that you'd like to donate to the show, I'd appreciate it. Just send me an email at trrs73@gmail.com, and we'll get back with you. So if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. We will continue to look inside of this Grundig S350. Bye-bye.